In this video, you will learn how you can create playlist on YouTube. But before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video till the very end so you don't make any kind of mistake when you trying it from yourself. So first of all, you have to open your YouTube app. Now you have to click on a gallery in your icon. After that, you have to click on this option called view all, and now you will have an interface like this. Here you have to click on create new playlist option, and now you have to select a video which you want to add in your playlist. So let's say I want to add this video, just 3 videos in my playlist, and now you have to click on this next option in the top right corner. After that, you have to add a title in your playlist, and now you have to click on create. After that, your playlist will be automatically created, and that's how you can create playlist in your mobile in 2024. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks like this one.